Okay, let's see. What was that? Everything alright? Check, 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 check. Check, check. Volume. It feels loud. I don't really know where that should be. Alright, I think we got the volume alright. Okay, so I watched this YouTube right here from Kishimisu. I've actually seen it twice. It's really good. So if you get a chance to watch it, I highly recommend it. And I thought, you know what? Why don't I just put this into my shader? So the first.
Overt here. Hi.
Whoa, what's up? Oh, over. Okay. Overt here. I see. That's how it pronounces your name. What's up over the AR? What's up? It's going to be a quick stream, I think. Quick stream. So one of the first things I want to do is, let's see. Let's call this ShaderyToy 01. We'll update that. Then we'll come down here. ShaderyToy 01. Save that for the geometry shader. There. And then we have this. So how you doing tonight? AR? Over the AR? What does your name mean anyways? How come you have that name? Over the AR.
Over
cool.
Here. I'm good.
Cool. Oh, I'm good too. I'm good too. Let's see. Okay, so I made this the other day. This is my shader playground. So ShaderyToy lets you manipulate the fragment shader. Let's just grab this here. See where we got to put this at. So that'll go down here into the fragment shader. We'll just go down to the bottom of the shader. And we'll put it right there. I don't think there's anything in there that's really not going to work. So if I save that and then update it, okay, we're still working. No errors. Or wait. What did it do? Wait, what just happened? Wait, it's not supposed to do that. Maybe because I pasted it or something? Here, let's go like that. Then we'll save it. That looks good, I guess. And then update. No, it goes back to the old. So do I shoot? Okay, is that an issue? Do I have to type it in as we go? Hold on. Bam, 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 bam. Let's see if I type it in, if it keeps it. Whoops, not over there. Hello. Oh, okay, let's bring the window over here. Okay. It's good to know that that might be a problem with it, though. Vector 3, 0.5. Okay, and we don't need it, since they're all the same, we don't need any more there. Whoops, vector 3b equals vector 3, 0.5. I feel like a mad scientist. There's like this thing pulsing in the background. Vector 3. What's this one? 0.263. Is this palette used to generate like random numbers or something? Well, since I have to type the whole thing in, I will find out, which is really kind of cool. That's how I learned to do my coding and stuff, is I typed in programs. And I was working on an old computer before you could save on your hard drive. And as soon as you turned off the computer, the power was gone and you had to start all over the next time. Okay, so we have that now. Now can I save this? ShaderToy01 save. Okay. And then update. No. Okay, what's going on? It's broken. That sucks. So maybe it's not copy paste, which is good. So, now just for giggles and kicks and giggles, let's go back to regular size there. And regular size over here. So, can I... Is it just the fragment shader, or... No, it's all of them. Okay. Okay, so... I wasn't expecting that problem. And I think ChatGPT is unavailable at the moment, so hold on just a sec here. This one? So what is the update actually doing? Like what actually is the problem here? So when I'm in the shader, let's see, where are we at? Show GUI. So update shader, I am GUI. Oh, is this the one where I took that out? But then compile check, hold on. Compile check does this right here. Hold on, open shader ultimate 3. Okay. Handle shader, yeah. Compile check. Okay. Oh, because it's not the buffer. Oh, I'm an idiot. I thought it was the same thing. Okay, so that's my problem. I took out this bunch of code thinking that it was, and I never tested it. I'm such an idiot. Welcome to the stream of an idiot. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry, had to laugh at myself. Okay, there we go. So let's put that back in. So yeah, the confusion was, did we put that back in? Vertex code buffer. Yeah. And then up here, it's using the vertex code. Okay. What? 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 Oh, I hit the wrong key? That wasn't good. Did I destroy it, my whole project? Is everything... Are you fine, Visual Studio? Okay, it's fine. All right. Everything's fine. Pay no attention to the man behind the camera. I don't have a camera, but I do have a camera. Is this weird? I have a camera, okay, but I never use it. It's a 50-foot cable. And it's meant for putting in ceilings, and I suppose I could use that for streaming, but that would be quite weird, wouldn't it? Weirder than myself. Okay, so now we have this, and Crystal Demo. Oh, we want to go with ShaderToy. ShaderyToy, okay, and then click out of the box, save it, okay, update, okay, perfect, yep, up, okay, I fixed what I broke earlier, okay, that only took about 10 minutes, I guess, no big whoop, not a big whoop. ShaderyToy01, we're gonna save that, because I'm gonna mess with it and break it, oops, go up, up. I could probably, I don't think I need to mess with this really, but let's just go ShaderyToy01, just so I know which one I'm working with. Okay, so we'll update, make sure we didn't break anything. We didn't break anything, good. Okay, so the geometry shader, I only want, in the geometry shader now, I only want 4 points. So let's go with a 2 by 2. Okay, I only want 4 points. And then we got all this stuff here, color, whatever, we just want, I don't think we need anything for this shader because everything's computed inside the shader, the palette, color, everything. This is such a small shader too, it's gonna be cool. It'll be quick, this could be quick. Okay, so let's just pass the color through. F color equals, oh, that's choosing a random color per one. F color is going to equal, it was G color 0 before, okay, so that's what it was. And then border color there, miscellaneous color there, okay, then we're not going to worry about this. Position each vertex, excuse me, okay, position equals all that stuff. Okay, so what we want to do, the center of the screen is not quite the center because I've got this little box over here to the left, so let's do this. Let me look real quick. Because what I want is the center, and then I want 4 rectangles. Which means I might have to do some math real quick, but we can do it. We can do the math. Okay, so where's this point right here? The whole thing is 1920 by 1055, close enough. So this is at 576, let's say it's at 600, okay? So we want to go 600, so that leaves us with, just roughly subtract 1300, okay, so 1300 by 1080p. Calculator. Okay, so 1300. Okay. Actually, the only thing I need to adjust then is the x. The y is just fine. So really, since the coordinate system before goes from -1 to 1, so that's 2. Now we want to go from -1 to 1 as we go from 600 to 1920, 1300. So what am I trying to figure out? I don't actually know what I'm trying to figure out. Basically, the center is from 0, 0. All we need to do is go over x 300 of what was before. So 300 divided by 1920. Oh, so we just need to add 0.156 to x. I can do that. We can do that. So let's start, let's just go GL in. No, we're not going to use this in position. We're not going to be imposing. We're not going to use any of this, all this animation and stuff. Such a long, okay, there we go. Vector 4, okay, I'm kind of dizzy. So the z is going to be 0, 0.0. So there's the z. Okay, so the x is going to be 0. What did we figure out? What did I figure out? 0.156. Okay, 156. Whoops, I typed in the calculator. 156 x. Okay. So the first one we want to draw it. So if the whole thing is 1300, divided by 1920. So 0.67. That's, oh, okay, 0.67. So we're going to divide by 2. So 0.33. So we just want to subtract. So the first one we want it to be at point. Oh, that's kind of easy. Wait. What am I figuring out? Am I even thinking about this right? I have no idea. So x. Whoops. Again, I'm typing in the calculator here. Hold on. So there's x, and where is my cursor? So the center is right there, and then we want them to each be. So based on the center, we're splitting the screen again, but it's in a weird way. Let's just subtract, because I is just going to be 0 or 1, right? So what if we subtract 0.3 from this? So 0.156 minus 0.33 equals, so that's where we start. Negative 0.17. Whoops, I'm in the wrong spot here. Negative 0.174. Okay, negative 174. Okay, then we want to add, and we're going to do I times 0.33. Is that right? Because the first one, we'll just see what that looks like. Just see what it looks like. We can always adjust it if it's wrong. So that's the x. So the first time that's going to be negative point, and the next time it's going to be 0.33. Yeah, that should work. That should work. I'm confused. What if we had 0.6? I think it's 0.6. Let's do that, because I think 0.6 times 2 is 1.2, that's where it's on that side there. Okay. Excuse me. So let's just make this 1/8 right there. Okay, sorry. I'm doing too much math, I know, sorry. But so the y, we're just gonna, that's a little bit easier, isn't it? We're just gonna subtract 0.5, and then we're going to add j times 0.5. So the first time it'll be negative 0.5. Oh, just j. We're just gonna add j, because the next time it'll be 1, and then we want it to be 0.5, positive 0.5. Okay. Do we need to make that a float? I know you'd think I would know these things. Well, we'll see what happens. So then we're just going to have 4 points and save that and update. Uh-oh. But that's okay. Hold on. F color equals that, because we're not actually drawing, we're drawing this crystal, which we just want color down here to equal F color, because we just want to see where everything is at. Okay, it's still not drawing. Are we getting an error? No, there's no error. Hold on. The show is not over yet. So wait, are we getting 4? We're getting 4. So then in here, color equals, it is F color, right? Yeah, F color. Oh wait, I do see points. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay, hold on. I think I have to programmatically set the point size here. But wait, this adjusts for the vertex shader. GL point size equals in size. But it's not set there anymore, because I'm using the... Oh, here. Should we just pass in size through? Do I need to do that? This is why I did this, so I could actually learn about so I could learn what I'm doing with the vertex shader versus the geometry shader. So point size, we want to send it out as a float, and let's just send it to G size. There we go. So then we'll go G size equals in size, out float G size, in size. Okay, save that, update, and then right here, and then we're gonna go in float G size. Okay, and then right down here, oh, I don't even have it in here, that's fine. We're just gonna go GL point size equals G size, and we're gonna use 0 like that. There we go. So now we should be able to come down to here and adjust the size. Oh, that's cool. All right. Nice. Okay. All right. So then what we want to do on theirs is fragment shader code, which we were about to do. Okay. So now we just want to take, we're going to get this going here. We have time. Okay. So UV, that, all that. So this is just setting UV equal to -1 to 1, which I've got. Okay. UV 0 equals UV. And then does he use UV 0 again? Right in here. Okay, so let's just take this code, floopity bloop 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 all the way to the end. Okay, right there. Copy that. Cool. Okay, so let's just do it down here in main. Regular box with borders. Okay, we don't need any of this. We're just gonna paste it all in there, and now we're gonna freak out. London. So it goes from -1, whoops, goes from -1 to 1 here. So we're going to go vector 2 UV equals GL point chord. Okay, and then minus vec2 0.5. Okay, and that goes from -0.5 to 0.5. So we'll take that times 2. I think that'll work. If not, we'll come back and fix that. Okay, so then UV 0 equals UV. Final color equals that. Go through all this stuff here. Fractional part. This will work. Length UV exponent. Yeah, that's not a function, is it? This EXP, what is that? Hold on. I think it's an exponent function. Used to calculate the natural, the natural exponent, like the natural log or something. Yeah, well, it's like the natural log. Oh, there's E. I haven't seen that in a long time. Okay.
Infinite Coder 01. Hot.
Infinite, what's up? I'm up kind of late. Now, this is right before my bed. Oh, wait. What's happening? Oh. Is
Infinite
Skyrim
Coder
OST?
01. I just
woke up. Okay. Well, in about 4 minutes, I'm going to go do some more push-ups because every half an hour that I stay awake, I'm going to give myself the chore of doing 10 push-ups. Is Skyrim OST? What is that? I don't know. Welcome in. You can watch what I'm doing here. Okay, so palette length UV 0. Okay, so this, let's put in the time here because that's the only difference there. And then we're going to need the time right here. Absolute value, power, final color. So the final color, that's a frag color? No, this is going to be just color. And then that's how we get it there.
Post equals original soundtrack.
Oh, dude, it works. Nice. I didn't think that I'd be able to do that in a half an hour. That's cool. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Check it out. So that's an example of how to take code from ShaderyToy and use it in my
Infinite Coder 01. Oh wow, effects.
Isn't that cool? So this is the geometry shader that makes it so that there's 4 points. See, a ShaderyToy, you're
Coder 01 at @Hikakomori_kid.
Say what? What language you guys talking? I don't know. I could ask ChatGPT, but I'm sure it's friendly. Otherwise, you would be saying something. But yeah, no. This is what you do in a ShaderToy right here. It's just the fragment shader. So what I did was I added the geometry shader, which allows you to amplify, because I'm still just drawing 1 point in my program. So right in here, see my program up here. If you go up to
Infinite Coder 01. This is Russian.
Russian?
Just said wrong language.
Oh, okay. So total number of points is 1, and I'm just drawing total points. I'm just drawing 1 point. And then with the geometry shader, I'm actually able to magnify, and I can draw up to 100 of these, but I'm only choosing to draw 4. So, let's take a screenshot. Right there. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go do the push-ups so I can play around with this a little bit longer. I'll be right back.
Infinite Coder 01. This is mesmerizing. Infinite Coder 01, and kind of music sing.
Okay.
Infinite Coder 01, are you breathing with your mouth?
Yeah, I just did some push-ups. Oh, is it deeper breathing? Yeah. Sorry. That's funny, bro. If the length of UV is greater than 5, oops. Oh, hold on. So maybe it's not UV? Oh. Okay.
Infinite Coder 01, well, I trained myself to breathe with my nose, because it helps me recover much quicker. It was hard, but I got used to it.
Screenshots. Bam bam. Yeah, I'm 50 years old, so I'm just glad that I'm recovering
Infinite
at all.
Coder 01, is it lagging on screenshot?
Is it what? Is it lagging on screenshot? It, I think it, yeah, it takes, there's a slight frame rate jitter when I do that. I think it could be because I'm also running OBS, and it's actually saving to a file at that point. Although I am running an SSD, so. Yeah, this is really cool. Oh, it could also be because I'm running that in the background. Ah. Seven pages. Oh, nice, dude. Look at this. What is this? Aldebaran's Sanctuary? Wow. Some of these shaders are crazy. Texel fetch. Oh, that uses a texture. That is wild, dude. I don't think my GPU can quite handle that, or can it? That's wild stuff right there.
Coder 01, wow, blending.
Blending, yeah, something. Well, I can't believe that was so easy. This is really cool. All right, well, let's see if we can do a little bit more here. So why don't we do this, since we have the time in here. I think all I have to do is go like this, because that would be my radius right there. So then I could just go into the J. Oh, right here, but we want to go like that. And you want to do sine. The sine of the time. Okay. Then save that. Update. Okay, not quite what I was thinking. It's close. You're very close, Jeff. It's very close. Okay. think it might actually be...
Infinite Coder 01, do you want to shift the texture with their movement?
No, I just want them to spin in circles is what I'm doing. I'll get it in a second here, hold on. So I think I need to do that, and then I need to take it out of here, times J, like that. Bum, 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 bum. I think that'll do it. Yeah. Still not what I was intending. It's because it's because I'm being an idiot right now. Bum, 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 bum. See, this is so cool that I can work on the shader literally while it's the last iteration is working right there, which is like, that's why ShaderyToy is so fun. That's why this is fun. Alright, so maybe I could do this like, what's the center here? So with X, the center is what? So where do I want the... That's the whole problem, is I don't know where the center...
Coder 01, they are rounded so sharp that they feel like silicone discs.
Isn't that crazy? Yeah, that is down here in the fragment shader. That's this right here. Because they're actually square points, and every pixel, this is calculated, the length of the pixel from the center.
Infinite Coder 01, you can blend this edge smoothly.
Yes. And it's because it's using the discard, it's not drawing a color, and it's transparent in the background. And I actually don't need blending to make that happen. Because in my initialization, in the init VAO VBO, there's no blending. These are the X. Whoa. Whoa. I almost lost power. We had a storm last night. We don't have a storm tonight, so I'm not sure what's going on. Am I still live? Everything good? That was not good. Sorry. That scared me. We almost lost power. So anyways, yeah, isn't that cool? That's one of the things that really attracted me to shader code and OpenGL, is that really, because I saw how sleek that is. It's really nice. And it's just one keyword, discard. It's really easy to implement, so.
Infinite Coder 01, like before discard, if, length, UV8, 0.3, color equals color asterisk, 1.0, length, UV8, 0.3, / 0.2.
Wait, what are you doing? Like before discard of length? You want me to try that? Oh, how come I can't? What's it doing there? I don't like that. So it's actually UV0 is greater than 3, color equals color times 1 minus the length of UV0 minus 0.3 divided by 2? Interesting. Do you want me to leave the discard in there? Here, let me take care of this line.
Infinite Coder 01, oh, it will be the length, UV8, 0.3, final color asterisk equals 1.0, length, UV8, 0.3, / 0.2. Infinite Coder Coder01, because you have final color.
Oh, no, this is the final color right here. This is a variable that he uses inside of his function. Oh, but yeah, you're right. We should do that here. You're right. There was a change. Did you see it? I didn't see. Oh, you see the difference? Weird. There's just a very slight difference. I'm not sure what you're trying to do. Did you see it? Weird. And this trippy. It's so trippy.
Infinite Coder01. Oh, wow. This would better work with replacing the last line by something like if length UV8 0.3 color equals vec4 final color 1.0 length UV8 0.3 / 0.2 else color equals vec4 final color 1.0.
See what we get. The last line.
Infinite Coder01. This is called alpha blending to smooth the edge.
Oh, the alpha blending, yeah. Let's see, what else do you have here? Final color 1 minus length. It is UV0 minus 3 over 2, and that's the end. Else? Oh, there's an else here? There's an else? What's the... Oh, you have this, and then you've got an else.
Infinite Coder01. Yeah, there is an else.
Else color equals... Oh, I see, you got it like that. So we'll take out that one. Was there an error? No, no error. Didn't seem to do much. Let me take out my discard for just a second.
Infinite Coder01. Well, it won't work with alpha blending. Infinite Coder01. Asterisk without alpha blending.
It won't work with alpha blending? No, I'm not using blending. If I were to use blending, I would have to come in here to go GL and GL blend, I believe it is, blend equation. But I also have to go GL enable GL blend in here like this, and I don't do that. I didn't do that. Eventually, I could include that functionality, but I don't want to have blending at first.
Infinite Coder01. Like something like blendable, GL_blend.
Yeah, like that. Okay. Alright, well, I'll just go back to what I had there.
Infinite Coder01. You should add tick marks for glenables, like alpha blending, depth test and some functions.
Yes, and also I'm gonna have I'm gonna have a different stage for tessellation, because when I draw in the program, when I do, where's it at? So when I draw with GL arrays, the GL points, you cannot use tessellation on any other geometry. It's got to be GL patches or whatever. So it's got to be GL draw arrays, GL patches, and then you go from there. And then it's got to be at least 3. So it's the same as vertices. It's just got to be at least 3.
And points.
Say what? Is it points? Patches are
Infinite
like
coder 01.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Patches are points, but you have to have at least 3, so that there's something that the tessellation engine can use to tessellate. And I don't pretend to understand it 100% myself, but then again, I'm not a GPU engineer. I'm just a GPU coder.
Infinite coder 01. You should just use triangles.
Yeah, exactly. I totally will. Yeah. And I could do that here too, but instead, this is, like I said, this is just 1 point.
Infinite coder 01, or easier, triangle fans.
Triangle fans. Are those easier? Are they really? But yeah, triangle fans, triangle strips, triangle lists. Same with lines, line strips, line lists. I'm going to have support for all of that. This is going to be the ultimate shader playground. Right now it's just the shader playground. When I get up to version 1.0, it will have the word ultimate right in front of it. And I'm super excited to see where this goes. So I cannot wait.
Infinite coder 01. We all use triangle fans when we are beginning, because it's the easiest way to draw any polygon.
I use a triangle fan when I'm a little bit too hot and then I just need to fan. No, I'm just kidding. It's true. Yeah, triangle fans are really cool.
Infinite coder 01, asterisk polygon.
So, shoot, dude, you're just waking up. I just thought I would do a quick stream before bed, so I got to get brushing my teeth and floss and get in the shower. I got to work tomorrow, and if I do my shower now, it worked out great today. I didn't have to shower before I went to work. I just got dressed, did my coffee, ready, go, you know. So hopefully I'll have the same experience today. And now I can't wait to get home and work on this again tonight. And then I can find another ShaderyToy. See, the other one is, I think, what's it? Big Wings. There it is, Big Wings. Search for that. There we go. The Universe Within. I have a lot of this code. I've actually talked to this guy, and he said that oh, this would be cool. That would be so cool. The hexagon's crazy. This one's wild. 17 pages of shaders. Look at this. This is a shader code. Dude is doing a shader code.
Infinite coder 01. You talked to this guy and what?
I talked to him about using his code, and he's okay with me using any of his shader code in my game or my programs. Up until and I quote, up until I make about $10,000, then we'll talk. That's what he said. So I have free license to use any of his code. Which honestly, the whole point of me making this program is to be able to learn from shader code. So all this stuff is fair game to learn from anyways. That's why they put it on here, which is awesome. 6,700 pages of shaders. This is just crazy. by XOR. Look at this shader. This is the whole shader, 18 lines, and 8 of that is comments? Oh my goodness. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba. Wow.
Infinite Coder 01. Yeah, this one is cool.
What is this? Look at this.
Infinite Coder 01, but that's fascinating math.
Hold up, just
Infinite
whoops.
Coder 01, asterisk fascinating.
Can't we pause it? Oh, okay. I was thinking I could full screen and pause it, start it. T equals I time for I is less than T divided by 1? 0.1. T divided by 0.1? Why would you divide by 0.1 when you should multiply by 10, shouldn't you? Isn't it better to do a multiplication than a division?
Infinite Coder 01, it's sometimes easier to divide.
I guess, but... So this is your initialization, this is your condition. Oh, and this is what happens. Dude, the whole thing is, I just got this. The whole thing is a for loop. Oh, wait a minute, what's it doing?
01, like point 1 is a period.
That is so cool. Interesting. Oh my gosh, what is happening here? It's hypnotizing me. Okay. That is fascinating. And who else? What else does this XOR dude do? Nebula explained? Oh wow. Dust. Terraform. Oh, dude's got some really nice ones. Fractal texturing? Cave pillars? Wow. Procedural paintings? What? Look at that. That's so cool. Wow. 27 pages. Infinite whirly noise. That's Voronoi. That's cool there. That's cool. I could probably do this, but how does he do it? Infinite whirly noise, huh? I don't think I've heard quite of revised 2018 edition. Or, oh, he's got it commented out. Original 2015 edition. Cool, dude. Smooth triplanar mapping. Wow. Eclipse. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh, geometry. Da-na-na-na-na-na. I'm going to have to do another 10 push-ups if I want to stay awake any longer.
Infinite Coder 01, voxels.
I know. Pretty. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. Because of the lighting. The lighting makes this really nice.
Infinite Coder 01, I wonder how it's done.
It's all right here. Boop. Let's see, shaders. I'm gonna save that. And shaders, done. Nice. Minecraft in 340 characters.
Link to ShaderyToy.
What? Hold up. Look at that one.
Infinite Coder
Oops.
01. Oh, this looks like a Choutland.
Yep.
Infinite Coder 01. Asterisk challenge.
I really need to get more into lighting too. And I'm going to have lighting as a feature in this shader playground, so that's cool. I just need time to explore my nerdiness. To explore. Oh, he uses a texture. Oh, that's why. I gotcha. Okay. But that's cool. That's cool. It's a cool texture. This is interesting. Oh, it looks cool. Look at that. That's crazy. So that's kind of like toon shading. Toon shading and then glow. There's a glow. Okay. I kind of know how that's done. But really, I have no clue. I think it's toon shading and the bloom. Toon shading and bloom. Oh, that one's cool. Oh, this one's really cool. Come to the globe. Alright. It looks better in the small version there. See, these are so trippy. These ones are so trippy. Look at this.
Infinite Coder 01. Auto mod.
Look at that light. That light's just moving through there. Okay, I gotta go do 10 more push-ups. The whole time my thing's been doing this. I'll be right back.
Infinite Coder 01. Even out fractal. is easy, color/pos.z or color asterisk dot, normal, light vector which can be used 100. Infinite coder 01, by 100 I mean 1, 0, 0.
Okay, well dude, I should get off here. I'm gonna export this to YouTube. Oh, I'll be on probably tomorrow after work sometime. Maybe before work if I wake up early enough, but we'll see. Because I'm kind of going to bed late, but I just did another 10 push-ups. That's crazy. My arms will probably regret it tomorrow. But thanks for tuning in. You have a good day. Do some coding and all that jazz.
Infinite coder 01. Thanks.
Later, man.
Bye.